Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make spawn points and how to craft the bedroll in 7 Days to Die. To begin, this can be useful especially for allowing you to respawn after dying and blocking zombie respawns nearby. Craft the bedroll, which is going to serve as the respawn point. We'll need to gather some plant fibers. Go ahead outside to the pine forest area and punch some grass like this. Once you've gathered 10 fibers, go ahead and craft the bedroll. Now that you have the bedroll, you can see it is going to show a green square around it, these lines, and this means it is going to disable any zombie spawns in that area. And now you can just go ahead and place it down on a place that you would like, and this bedroll is going to act as the respawn point. So when you die, you can go ahead and respawn on this bedroll. Also, you make sure to watch out, because if you place another bedroll, the last placed bedroll is going to act as the respawn point. And if you pick up the last one, then the previous one is not going to count as one. And this is pretty much all how to get and use the bedroll. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.